Hello guys, welcome to Eternal Box. In this video, we are going to learn about average if function. What is the difference between average and average if function? In simple average function, you can calculate the average of all available values. But if you have some criteria or some condition, then you can use average if function. For example, I have the database in which I have the cost center, gender, employee name, and sales. So in my first example, I want to calculate the average with the cost center wise. So here I cannot use simple average function because I have a criteria. So here I will use average if function. For example, equal average if bracket. The first argument is range. So I will select the range of the cost center and fix the value by using dollar sign, comma. This is my criteria, comma. The third argument is average range. So I want to average sales. I will select the range and fix the values by using dollar sign, bracket close, press enter. You can see I got the average sales for this cost center 27,850. If I go to the database, this is the cost center and these are the sales, and here you can see the average of 27,850. So I have the same exact answer. So I will copy this formula and paste it down, and I got the average sales of the remaining cost centers. In my second example, I want to calculate average gender wise. So here I have another criteria. So I will use average if function, equal average if bracket, the first argument range. So this time I will select the gender column because this is my criteria, and fix the value by using dollar sign, comma. This is my criteria, comma, and these are sales value, and using dollar sign to fix the values, bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the average sales of male employees. So I will copy this formula and paste it down. Then I can get the average sales of female employees. So in this way, you can use average if function. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you very much.